Alam mo ba na ang biggest financial asset mo is not your car, your house, or your business, kundi ikaw, your ability to earn income. Pero ang tanong, protected ba ang income mo? Reality check, majority ng mga Pilipino, pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, accident, or disability, ubos agad ang savings. Bakit? Kasi walang income protection. And without the income, hindi na kayang bayaran ang rent, bills, tuition fees, allowance, or lahat ng gastos ng family. Income protection ensures na kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, like critical illness, disability, accident, or kahit tawagin na tayo ni Lord, meron pa rin papasok na cash flow sa family mo para hindi mag-stop ang buhay nila dahil lang nag-stop ang income mo. Income protection is your safety net that will give you peace of mind. Ngayon, paano ba kinocompute ang income protection? Let's make it simple. Income protection equals annual income times 10 years. Now, bakit 10 years? Yan kasi ang average time para makarecover ang isang family kapag nawala ang breadwinner. Example, if you're earning 30,000 pesos a month times 12, that's 360,000 annually. Multiply by 10 years, that's 3.6 million. 3.6 million, that's the amount na kakailanganin ng pamilya mo para makasurvive sila in the next 10 years. The good news, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng millions para protektahan ang biggest asset mo. If you want to compute your own income protection number, message me. I'll help you calculate and design a plan that fits for your goals and your budget.